we're going to do here is we're going to show you guys simply how we light our grill here for whenever we decide to light up the grill. Now this here is just a little small grill that we have that we just got from Walmart. We do have a bigger smoker, so maybe one day I'll show you guys how I light the smoker as compared to just the grill. So first, all we have here is just some simple lighter fluid, and then of course you're gonna need your charcoal. Now, so what we'll be doing here is I'm getting ready to smoke a whole chicken. So I just used about half a bag of the charcoal, maybe a little bit more than half, maybe about 3/4 of the bag. And so what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna go ahead, marinate the charcoal with the lighter fluid, and don't really you ain't gotta be stingy with it. I mean, it's just gonna turn to fire anyway. I mean, you bought it to use it, so might as well use it. And so, I mean, typically I don't like using lighter fluid because sometimes I feel like the lighter fluid sometimes gets into the flavor of your meat, but this is simply how I like to do it with lighter fluid. So there you go. You let that just sit there for a little while. You want to then get you a lighter. All right, so here we have our matches. Now, also be sure you guys are, this is my disclaimer, make sure you guys are, safe with what you're doing with the matches. You might want to keep a bucket of water around, a bucket of sand, just in case, something gets out of hand. So that's your disclaimer. So simply what I do is I just go ahead, I'll just light the match, and I'll just drop it in the middle, and hopefully see if that'll spread. So there you go. Then you get your flame. And you let that just do what it does. And you typically want this to just burn till it like ashes out or starts to smoke. And then yeah, once that does it for about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe, then you'll be ready to throw whatever it is you want to throw on the grill. Typically, I like to, once it starts smoking, I'm all about flavor. Anybody who knows me, so once it starts smoking, I then like to go ahead and I actually season the charcoal. So therefore, that season that gets on that charcoal, of course, smokes into that meat. So that's just a little tip on what I like to do, what some people might not do. But yeah, so there you have it. That's the lighting of the grill. Let that or let that burn for about 10 minutes or whatever, and then you'll be ready to go.